Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use Notion projects. But first, if you want to master your favorite tech platforms, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video. So, how we can use this new upgrade from Notion projects. By using Notion Project, you can now easily manage your projects and meetings. For example, right here you can see the project page. And then on its side you can see the status. You can also see the meetings that is associated with your project. And now if we scroll down, we can see right here the meeting page where we can see the meetings. And then if we tap on the meetings, we can see the details of the meetings. And now for example, we tap one of the projects, we can see the details of the projects. From here, we can see if the project is a priority. We can also add a comment and add a property. For example, on the add property, just tap on that. From here, we can use AI to help us manage our projects more easily. And then if we scroll down, we can see right at the bottom that we can link GitHub, Google Drive to our project. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.